On my table here is not a relic or dinosaur laptop from 1995, but why does it look so different and why does it exist? Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast episode 103. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we are checking the ASUS BR1102F, a convertible laptop designed specifically for the K-12 students. The ASUS BR1102F looks so different from any other laptop because it is built entirely with high quality polycarbonate plastic instead of metal or aluminium. It has all-rounded rubber corners to protect the laptop from knocking or damaging the internal. It even surpasses high-demanding US military-grade 810H durability standard and torture tests. Hence, design is not its priority. It's all about practicalities and usability. The matte sandpaper-like finish on its back cover doesn't only add grips, it also lessens scratches and fingerprint smudge. This convertible laptop with a touchscreen offers 3 distinct modes of use: laptop, tablet, and tablet. This mode caters to various educational requirements and come with an active stylus pen. There's even a slot to garage the stylus. Port selection is quite comprehensive, with 2 PD-supported USB-C each on both sides. One of them even features this layout: a USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, an HDMI 1.4b, and an Ethernet port. There's a volume button and a power button with a built-in fingerprint reader, a 3.5mm audio combo jack, a USB-A 2.0, and a Kensington lock slot. It features an 11.6-inch 1366 by 768 HD touch display with 50% NTSC color gamut coverage and 250 nits peak brightness. It's a decent IPS panel with wide viewing angles and adequate color reproduction. There are a total of 2 cameras, one for online classes that have a privacy shield. The second camera above the keyboard can be used for recording what's on the whiteboard or taking photos of a textbook in pen or tablet modes. The keyboard, trackpad, and palm rest are protected with ASUS antimicrobial guards to inhibit bacterial growth by over 99% over 24 hours. It even meets internationally recognized ISO 22196 standard. This helps to keep the laptop surface clean and sanitary. Worth noting is that the keyboard is spill resistant to up to 400cc without harm, and the design ensures minor splashes can be easily drained, cleaned, and dry. As mentioned earlier, the ASUS BR1102F is targeted at K-12 students, hence there's no need for powerful internal. Mainly are used to connect to the internet, to do research, write assignments, and connect with teachers, classmates, and friends. The ASUS BR1102F is powered by Intel N100 processor, paired with 8GB of DDR4 memory and 128GB internal storage. There's even an empty M.2 slot to bump up the storage. Because it uses an efficient 6W TDP processor, the 50 working hours battery can deliver up to 12 hours of battery on a single charge. For me, it gets me around 7 to 8 hours of productivity usage like browsing and video streaming. Another key advantage of the ASUS BR1102F is its maintenance and serviceability. With modular design, hardware replacement or upgrade like the battery, keyboard, thermal module, and I/O ports can be done in minutes with only some basic tools. You can get the ASUS BR1102F for RM2399, and it also comes with a non-touch screen, a clamshell design, the ASUS BR1102C at RM2099. It comes with 1 year of on-site service and warranty. Personally, the ASUS BR1102F might seem a bit on the expensive side when consider ASUS more mainstream options like the ASUS VivoBook, which comes with a far more superior specification. However, the ASUS BR1102F holds a unique value. It's a laptop you can confidently hand over to your children, knowing that it's built to endure mishandling and potential damage. That's all from me on the ASUS BR1102F. you need questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.